Hello everyone, my name is Noam. I'm from the DAV Foundation. I'd like to talk to you about transportation in your cities in the future. Autonomous cars, autonomous drones, autonomous robots. All of those vehicles are being developed now by companies all around the world. Once I have an app I can summon rides with, who am I hiring now? I'm not hiring the driver, I'm hiring the car now. When I get a drone to do my delivery, I'm hiring the drone now. So how does that economy look like? Does that look like in your city? What happens to the jobs of the drivers and the delivery people? What are the new jobs that can be created? Instead of asking those questions, we brought people from NASA, from UPS, from Google, from Ethereum, from top Fortune 500 companies, car companies, drone companies, and robotics companies. We decided to create what's going to happen.